there, my dear Virgo friends. Welcome to M Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading for the week commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Virgos. Just take all the positive energy and messages that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. Okay. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's begin. Thank you. Okay, my spirit guides. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Virgo friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Virgo friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Virgo friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Oh, right. The bottom of the deck is wow, 10 of diamonds. A very beautiful card, a good luck card. Okay, it means um, there is a changing of financial status in here for the better. You are getting more money. There will be a financial abundance that coming in your way. Okay, it is now in your way. Okay, I know Virgo friends, you are very good in attracting money. Remember that you are very good in business, in area of business. Yes, you know that you are diamonds. You are an earth sign. Okay, like Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Earth sign energy, diamonds. um, it's about power, energy, imagination, money, rewards, success, career, abundance, and prosperity. So, with that, that is for you. It is a money and travel card. Okay, beautiful. See, you will be meeting new friends, new group of people, alliances, right? So for some of you, those who are single, you will be meeting your soulmate now. I can see it in here, marriage in the card. Or for those, yes, new love interest. Okay, for those who just had a breakup in a relationship, then be ready. You will meet someone. Okay, let's see. Six of clubs. So if if you have only small amount of money, not enough to build a business, but you are really keen to start for a new business, a new project, then someone is going to lend you money, is going to give you a financial support to make it successful. Okay, so um oh my god, what is this? Okay, for some of you who are happily married, been married for a couple of years, or those who are on a committed relationship, you can feel it because Virgo's individual are highly intuitive like us, Scorpio. Okay? So if someone betrayed you, someone is playing behind your back, someone is backstabbing you or cheating behind your back, you will know it. You will feel it. Yeah? You will even dream what is that person is doing behind your back. Okay? This card is love sickness. Unfaithful husband, unfaithful wife, unfaithful partner, unfaithful boyfriend, unfaithful girlfriend. Okay? And there are promises that is has been broken in here. So it makes you feel upset, and with that, you will feel that there is something wrong. There is something wrong in this person, in this loved one. Okay? Or else it's you being unfaithful to your behalf. Okay? But if I were you, please stop that. Stop that. Because there will be a misfortune that is going to happen after that. Okay? If you're not happy with your loved one, with someone who's staying for years, then talk to that loved one first before committing to a new one. Okay? Alright? Because remember, karma is real. Is real. Okay? If it's not you who will suffer from that karma, then if you have children, then you will see it into your children. They are the one who will suffer your curse. That is how the cursed work. Okay? Especially if you hurt the feelings of you cross with the psychic, with a person who is really highly intuitive and who is into revenge and do black magic against you, then so please think about it. Okay, that is a warning. Okay, someone, this is a fire energy woman. Okay, a fire sign energy woman, it's either a Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius um, woman will give you an advice. This is a confident woman. If it is about business, then maybe this is the own uh, a co-owner. I mean, yes, who is very confident. So listen to that woman. Okay, this will help you in your journey. The advice, the words that will come from this woman will really guide you on your journey. It's useful. Okay, right. For those who are a prayer warrior, I can feel it in here that it is this card is Mama Mary, or for some of you, someone in the spirit world, a spirit, a departed loved one, a mother, a grandmother, an auntie, a sister, a dear friend who's very close to you and who just passed away. Then this woman, okay, it is a water sign energy when she was still here on earth. It's either a Pisces, a Cancerian, or Scorpio energy is the one guiding on you, assisting you to to go to the right path, the right direction. Okay, um, or for some of you, this is your mother, your grandmother, an older sister. This is older than you, okay, or a dear friend who is really guiding you, advising you what to do. If you will um, ask for a comfort and advice what to do, then this woman will, because this is a very an affectionate, caring woman, a motherly figure, a motherly energy who will give you a kind advice as well. Okay, wow. Ten of gloves, business success. Those who are dealing with business, entrepreneurs, and those who are in a job. So there will be a positive opportunity or business growth. Yes, business success. Yes, this is a business success, a good luck card. Okay, a great omen for those who are going to start for a new project, a new business, or those who are applying for a new job. Okay, then this is a card for you. Go ahead with your application. Okay, there is an unexpected money that is going you are going to receive unexpected big amount of money, and then there is a travel in here as well. And then in the travel, for those who are single and those who are, yes, who are not committed yet, then you will meet someone who will make you smile, make you feel like, wow, maybe this is the one, this is the one. Okay, it's a far sign energy as well. Okay, Jack of Gloves. This card is a uh, for some of you, you have a reliable friend that is really supporting you in your journey. Yes, for some of you, I can see it in here that there is someone who really adore and admires you. Okay, and for some of you, um, for those who are wishing to do something and wanted to manifest what they want in life, you are now starting setting your goals to achieve those manifestation. Okay, so it says in here to use your natural charm to attract those opportunities. Okay, three of diamonds, legal arguments, legal issues. Yes, this card as well is advising to be tactful. Watch your mouth, watch you are saying, to avoid disputes, to avoid fight. Yes, to avoid conflict, especially at work. Okay, so it's about I think it's regarding about money, legal issues. We're going to tackle it. Right, let's go to the um what is this? Uh Tarot cards. So, my spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Virgos for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Virgo friends for the week commencing um 18th of November? Right. So, the bottom of the deck is, oh, oh, it's a reverse major arcana, the sun. It's reversed. All right, for some of you, it says in here, you have lack of enthusiasm at the moment. I think I can feel it in here that for some of you, you are suffering from depression, anxieties, because I think because of you are dealing with conflict, relationship problems, yes, disputes, yeah. So there is sadness in here, and Oh, right. Oh, for some of you, just had a miscarriage or a stillbirth, abortion. Okay. So this is what the card it says in here. For some of you, that's why you feel bad because of this miscarriage, stillbirth, abortion. It's unexpected, unrealistic expectations. And for some of you are conceited, there is conceitedness in the card. So stay ground, stay humble. Okay, please. Okay, Three of Swords. Oh, what is this? Pain. All right. I think this is really connected to those who just had a miscarriage, which really it was unexpected, and yet so you were really really love to have a child, but it was this thing happened. So remember that if it is not for you, it is not for you. So try to accept it and try to move on. Do not deal with severe depression that will just affect you. Okay, so it says in here, this Three of Swords, there is pain. Yeah, and it's a no card associated with Libra energy and aligned to planetary Saturn. Okay, so it says in here that it is also aligned to third eye chakra. So planetary Saturn, planet Saturn deals with responsibility, okay, and um, responsibility and discipline. So now, right, okay. For those who've been betrayed, so there is loneliness in this card. You are enduring pain and heartache, sadness, unhappiness, grief. For those who just lost a, um, for those who are suffering from ill health and conflict, so there is pain in here. So please, my dear Virgos who are suffering from that, please stay strong. It's not yet the end of the world, okay? There's still loved ones who really loves you, okay? So Five of Swords, defeat. It's a no card as well. This is associated with Aquarius energy and aligned to planet Mercury and aligned to throat chakra. So it says in here, there is a big change that really happens in your life, and some of you are walking away from that big fight. It's better. So it was for those who are dealing with fights, um, disputes, better to walk away. Yeah, to have peace of mind. Okay, self-sacrifice with that. It says in here, bullying, intimidation, abuse for those who um, suffered from abuse, experiencing abuse, violence, crime, rape, murder, assault. Please stay strong and remember that it's not yet the end of the world. With that, life is there is still tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. Okay, let's go to the angel card advice for you, my dear Virgo. Friends, for the week commencing, oh, wow, a lot is wanted to jump out. Let's see. Okay, what is this angel message for our dear Virgo friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Right. Ace of Earth, the bottom of the card. The inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contracts that is right. For those who are in a dealing with positivity, positive energy, this is for you, Ace of Earth. The inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contract. So the main card for you is Two of Water, a relationship that continues to grow closer for those who are on a happy family life, happy family life. Forgiveness. All right. So if there is a betrayal, cheating, lies that happen, then just forgive. Try to patch it up to save the relationship. The positive resolution of a conflict. See? So forgive. Okay? So what is the animal spirit message for you, my dear Virgo friends, for the week commencing um for the week commencing 18th of November. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Ten of Spring, Saint Bernard dog. You are working far too hard, and the stress will soon become too much. Reach out for help from others and take some time to play and enjoy life. Try to unwind yourself. Okay, spend time in nature if I were you, because you are an intuitive impact individual, my dear Virgo friends. So I think it's better for you if you will spend your time in nature, yeah, and try to contemplate, relax your mind, relax your body, your mind, body, and soul. Okay, so the main card is Four of Autumn Squirrel. Be cautious about living a life of extremes or seeing things in black and white terms. Consider, for example, whether you are spending too much versus hoarding your wealth, or giving too much emotionally versus building walls that keep people out. Okay? Okay. For those who are seeking an advice, messages from the spirit guides regarding their job and career or business, let's see. Right. Courage. Have courage, my dear Virgos. Ask what you are afraid of so you can overcome what's holding you back now. There are leadership opportunities for the taking. So go ahead with that. If that's what you want, then be courageous to take that leadership role. Outside forces. Um, I can see it in here, I can feel it in here that there are answered prayers already, or going to be answered. Okay, keep on praying. For those who are prayer warrior, then keep on praying. Okay, unknown figures are driving the situation and you may not be able to control the outcome. This cycle will shift soon and you will be okay. Okay, yes, for those who are, if you feel like it's very strange why these things happening, so there is some outside forces that is manipulating. So keep on praying and you will be protected. Okay. So for those who are those who have one question that is waiting for a yes or no answer, let's see. Okay. I mean, yes. Brilliant idea, clear path, bright future ahead. Wow, that's a beautiful message for you. It's another yes, it's a double yes confirmation. Your eyes are fully open, seeing what's possible. So go ahead with that. Okay? Good luck on your life's journey, my dear Virgo friends. And if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.